Types of pollution. Living things depend on the environment for survival. With excessive industrialization in the name of progress and development, man has exploited Earth's natural resources and played havoc with its environmental balance. This has resulted in pollution. Pollution. When harmful chemical substances are released into the environment, whether land, air, or water, they cause extensive damage to the environment. This is referred to as pollution. And the harmful substances are called pollutants. Pollution not just causes several diseases, but also endangers the overall existence of living things by damaging the ecosystem. Types of pollution. There are different types of pollution: air, water, land, that is soil, and noise pollution, that is sound pollution. Air pollution. Air becomes polluted when toxic and undesirable substances like harmful gases, dust, smoke, etc. are released into the atmosphere. This affects the health and well-being of all those who breathe it. Causes of air pollution. Emission of harmful gases due to industrial and manufacturing activities. Natural phenomena such as volcanoes and wildfires, which release pollutants such as smoke and soot. In villages, farmers burn dry agricultural wastes in fields and farms, while in towns and cities, people often burn plastics, rubber, garbage, and old tires, thereby releasing pollutants into air. Gases emitted due to burning of fossil fuels in vehicles. Greenhouse gases released by thermal power plants. Effects of air pollution. Deadly diseases such as lung cancer and other respiratory disorders in human beings. Acid rain is formed by the combination of some harmful gases and water vapor in the air. This falls along with rainwater, destroying the leaves of plants and consequently the quality of vegetation and aquatic life. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies when harmful substances are thrown directly or indirectly into them. This makes the water unfit for use and at times dangerous too. Wastewater from factories, power plants, and manufacturing industries contains many harmful and toxic substances. When this water is released into rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans, it ruins the quality of water thereby affecting aquatic ecosystem. Polluted water greatly harms the marine life, flora and fauna in seas and oceans. Causes of water pollution. Large amounts of pesticides and fertilizers used by farmers washed away by rain into streams, rivers and lakes. Factory wastes and residues dumped into nearby water bodies. Domestic activities like bathing, washing utensils, clothes and animals pollute water bodies. Dumping domestic garbage in or close to water bodies. Effects of water pollution. Adversely affects aquatic life, including fish, frogs, aquatic flora, etc. Disrupts food chains, thereby causing an imbalance in the ecosystem. Causes diseases in human beings and other living beings who feed on this toxic seafood. Types of pollution. Land pollution. Dumping of garbage and waste material on land or underground in a way that can contaminate the soil and groundwater is termed as land pollution. The garbage decays and becomes a breeding place for rats, mosquitoes, flies and other disease carriers. It also becomes a source of unpleasant odor and dangerous chemicals which seep into the soil and make it unfit for agriculture. They also pollute underground water sources. Sources of land pollution. Agricultural residues, pesticides and fertilizers. Burning of solid waste. When solid fuels like coal, wood and other things like paper, plastics and rubber etc. are burnt, the debris left behind pollutes the soil. Mining activities. Mining and other activities which require cutting of trees ruin the land quality. Industrial waste. Metal and plastic materials are carelessly disposed as solid garbage by manufacturing industries. These substances release dangerous chemicals as they react with the air and water, mostly in the harsh heat of the sun. Metal, glass, paper, etc., when dumped along with organic waste in landfill areas instead of recycling. Effects of land pollution. If waste is not segregated while burying in landfills and is dumped recklessly on land, it may lead to formation of highly poisonous chemicals. These pollutants seep into the soil as well as groundwater reservoirs and affect the life around. The top fertile soil at the garbage dumping site gets polluted making it unfit for plant growth. Fertilizers and pesticides that are sprayed on crops contaminate the underground water. Many illnesses arise due to intake of fruits and vegetables grown on polluted land. Foul odor and poisonous chemicals are released into the atmosphere. Children playing in areas close to dumping grounds are prone to several disorders and skin diseases. Open landfills breed rodents like rats and insects, who in turn spread disease. Noise pollution. Sound forms an integral part of our lives. We enjoy talking and listening to music, but loud music in concerts, public and private functions make us feel tired and irritable. This is called noise pollution. Noise pollution has affected the lifestyle of humans to a great extent. Sources of noise pollution: transportation, motor vehicles, aeroplanes, submarines, and ships. Home appliances, food mixers and grinders, pressure cookers, vacuum cleaners, coolers and air conditioners, generators in markets and homes. Public functions. Excessive use of loudspeakers in musical concerts, marriages, and celebration of festivals. Factories and industries. Several manufacturing processes use machines that produce a very loud sound while working. Sirens also create a loud and deafening sound. This also creates tremendous noise pollution. Construction work like drilling and demolishing buildings cause noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution. It was believed that noise pollution affected only humans, but now we know that noise pollution affects all animal life. Hearing disorders, disturbed sleep, higher anxiety and stress, loss of hearing due to extensive use of headphones by children, all these are a direct consequence of noise pollution. Sound travels faster in water, and marine animals depend on sound for search of food. This is the reason that the sharp sounds produced by ships and submarines cause trauma and sometimes death in animals like dolphins and whales.